What up? Good morning, good morning. Good morning. It's a great morning. It's a great day. We tuned in, tapped in, turned on. What's going on? Let's go. Go over to this Discord. Let's see who's popping over here. Are they all sleeping? Could be. Could be. That's human sleep. Good stuff. Going to be a probably a shorter stream today. I got to do some traveling. Not far. Not far. Got to go listen to some music today. That's right. Got a group that signed with Def Jam. Got to go hear some music. Report back to the troops. Tell them what I think. Gonna be good. The Whales. That's right. Let's do this. We're going to check out BTC. BTC's got a nice new VRE. Tight weekly range, guys. This thing's going to trend. It's already sent a little wick to the top side. Not too far. 26,240. Where was it down to? I mean, guys, we're talking like a $500 move. Not bad. A little $500 pump on BTC. But what did it do? Got up above the weekly range. Sent a couple wicks right back down into it. Right? Look at the daily. Daily range is almost back up on top of the weekly. LFG, baby. Let's go. This wick right here, right to the top of the weekly. Next candle, wick right to the center of the daily. Now it's pumping again. Dollar by dollar.
Do you have your chart up?
Well, for what?
I don't know. Don't you usually put a screen?
Oh. Yeah. Thought you... like that. There we go.
Yeah.
Exactly. I was like, huh? What chart? Yeah, my chart's up. No, my chart is not up. It's all good. Yeah, BTC, tight weekly range. Love it. How tight? Let's see, 2681. Wow, man.
That's really tight.
$8. $8 BTC weekly range on an asset that's 26K right now. This thing's going to fly this week. So we're going to get in these charts a little bit. See what's going on. What was that dip to? What did that wick get down to? Yeah, like 26,875 or something. It's not like it was a massive pump, but the fact that it sends a few candles and we get up above that weekly, that's a start, man. That is a start. Let's go over here real quick. Let me look at this ultimate power mean. Yeah, man. But I'm telling you right now, in my opinion, BTC is going to need to make a run to this 35K area, or at least top side of the power mean band. Back up to 30K. Back up to 30K. Almost 4K move. Can BTC do it? Sure can. Probably in a 15-minute candle if it wanted to. It's a beast, man. Nothing else like it. Really fun to trade. But so that's the weekly. What's going on with the volatility? I don't look too much on the volatility on the weekly. I mean, guys, things change so slow. Just part of the workflow. Wow. Correlation did break on this expansion of volatility on the low length. Like seeing that. And finish off. Let me see here. Totally contracted 981. It's positively correlated. Getting ready to move above the zero threshold here too. Interesting. 2400 is contracting, negatively correlated. It's actually good. What's reverse wave trend on the weekly? 26.9. Wouldn't be a bit surprised to see this thing run to 27. Then we're going to have to reevaluate what's going on. 27. Let me see a weekly support level up here. What do we got at 27? Or weekly resistance level? Well, it's the monthly, man. All right. Monthly support level. Let me see. Is that the first one too? No, second. Yeah, second support level. Second support level, huh? All right. Not bad, not bad. Where's that third at? There it is down there. Yeah, 25,178. I got a dog knocking. Come on, dog. Get on in here. Find your crazy brother. Go find his ass. Let's see. Let's back down. So that would kind of make sense too. Coming in with a tight weekly range, this thing to run to this monthly support level that is resistance. Tell you, BTC makes a move to the top side. Look at 27K. Look for 27K. First weekly resistance level, just a little bit below it, 26.8. Is it going to happen today? High probability? No. Why? Look at this tight daily, man. Top side of the daily range is at 26,491. So there you go. Go back, look through this indicator. You will see how many times data sets have closed outside these daily ranges. Guys, it doesn't happen, man. Every once in a while. So I'm never going to say never. Last time I said never, SPY did it. SPY did it. So that's real interesting. What the hell? So yeah, where's the bottom side of this? I mean, look how tight this thing is, man. This daily range, super tight. Super tight. Not only the actual daily range and weekly range is super tight, but the overall volatility range of all the supports and resistances, whammo. I mean, guys, look at it on Sunday. Talk about tight. Spread out a little bit. this BTC chart, very interesting. You look over here. Oh, one thing though, I really wanted to see was some sort of div, and there's not. No bull div anyway. Let me see. Nope. That would have to be a higher low, and it is not. Dead on it. Actually, I mean, just a little bit. God, not. I mean, probably a couple $100 below or low there. Nothing really to. Look at the last wick though. Look at last week, man. Ran up to that reverse wave trend. 27.2. So if this does make a run to 27, I mean, look what's right at it too. All right, that's not 26.9. That's reverse wave trend. You got that monthly support level that's flipped resistance up there right around 27. It's going to be tough. BTC wants to make a move to the top side with all this just madness going on in the world. It's going to have to do it. It's going to have to get by this 27K area. Like I said, no divergence between price action and returns. None. What is setting up? Hidden. If this thing rejects off the zero mean on some hidden bear, God, I mean, what's the bottom side of the power mean band? 22,590. Don't see it in the cards, man. Not this week anyway. That's probably below 22,590, huh? Let's see some of these weekly levels. It's probably outside the weekly range. Or real close. Yeah, way outside. 24K is the bottom of the weekly. So BTC wants to dump out. And everybody always freaks out. Hey, man, send some freaking cheap Bitcoin. Why not? Buy the dip. Isn't that the meme? Got to buy the dips, man. Stack those sats. All right, back over here. Let's finish this workflow. We're only on the weekly. Yeah, I want to take a quick look at the 5-day. There we go. It's a little better. Probably some hidden bull here. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Couple stabs too. You can see the last play didn't do it. Well, you're at the top side of the power mean band, right? Now look what's going on in the 5-day. All right, you got the 33 power means already crossed up reverse Jesus, sorry guys. Reverse Fisher. Look at wave trend, the white dots trying to cross up that reverse Fisher, man. Wow. Is this going to get another test? Probably, man. It's right up there by that 27K too. Right up by that 27K. Like I said, there is hidden bull on the 5-day. Total random walk. Volatility's contracting on the low length, negatively correlated. 2400 expanding a little bit, starting slope positive. You got the 981 looking like it's folding over here to contract, and it is negatively correlated. So you go. Volatility on the weekly and the 5-day, saying a little bit of a walk up. It already has started. Let me see here. Yep. Hidden. Got hidden bull down here on the 3-day too. Let me see what's going on with volatility. I don't need to look at it. You're outside the power mean band too. Let me guess. 27.7 is reverse wave trend, 99 log MA. I'll tell you what, the probability for BTC to move to the top side here is on. Wait till we get to the RMLR. That's really going to probably lock it in, I would imagine. I'm going to drop right to the day. You know what? 2-day. Usually I do 3-day and 2-day, but I'm going to do it today. Setting up hidden bear. Only on the returns, not the Z-scores. Wow, volatility on the 2-day just fell off a freaking cliff. When this thing opened? Yesterday. What is the date today, man? Yeah, yesterday. So we get a new 2-day tomorrow. In your literally, look at the wicks it was sending into the reverse Fisher. And volatility fell off the cliff, negatively correlated. What's a 981 doing? Expanding, correlation broke negative. Got the 2400 is expanding, positively correlated. Variance pretty low, flat right now. Needs to turn up. See some positive correlation. The outside line is the correlation. The inside line is the variance. The variance is either white or pink. This is my color scheme, right? If it's pink, you're having an outlier, right? A fat tail event within the distribution, second standard deviation or more in progress. That's what an outlier is. And so this indicator, it's a variance, just pure variance. This is one of the purest indicators we have. Strictly variance. Variance is a spread of data from the mean, right? What data? What data? Price? No, absolutely not, right? Price doesn't have a mean. Returns do. This is the spread of data, the returns. So let's see here. And the fact down here on the 2-day, you're resting right up here in reverse Fisher. We got wave trend at 28.5, huh? What's a 99 log MA? That's right, log return moving averages. And by the way, you guys, we're like way behind, backlog. There's a lot of people wanting indicators right now, so give us a little bit of a break. Give us a little bit of a break. Yasha, I'm sure, has got this bot fired up. He'll pop in sometime. We're gonna have some little special running or something. Try to get people into the some coupons for the free indicator package or whatever. I didn't talk to him too much, but yeah, we're bogged down. Hey, we're normal guys, man. A lot of us do other stuff. We didn't think that so many people were going to just bum rush us at once. It's ridiculous. Coming out of the woodwork. Trading View, you're awesome. All you guys, where's my thumb? There it is. Look. Hilarious. Let's drop to the daily. Oh boy, this thing just going sideways. Man, oh man, oh man. So you can see the hidden bear that's set up. You got a higher high on the returns oscillator, right? Lower high. You're almost at the bottom side of the power mean band. 20. So if this thing wants 26.5, 26.5, get up there first, see what happens. More likely, though, when you're outside the power mean band this long, reverse wave trend is up here at 28.2. Power mean band's totally flip bearish. Yeah, you're going to have to make a move up here. Got to get this stuff flipping around. 4 hour, I bet this is tight. Watch. I haven't even looked at this, but I guarantee you this power mean band is probably just flat, tight, everything together. You can't go sideways this long with all that accumulating together and just, yeah. Make the right choice, people. You get on the wrong side of this trade, you're going to get wrecked. Oh, yeah, exactly. Well, I mean, you got the 99 reverse Fisher up here, but you got wave trend, the 9 and the 33 log MA, and the entire power mean band. Let's see, you got half still bullish, bottom side bearish, wave trend. Yeah, you're going to want to get back up above this 33. Give time for this power mean band to flip up. You're going to see it. Let me see on the 90. And I'm going back to that 4 hour. Trust me, I didn't even look at the returns oscillator. What a beautiful day, man. Dude, 10-day forecast. Sun. Like 105 at the heat index last week. It's literally like 58 outside right now. This weather. Gotta love it. Okay, interesting. 99 log MA. This is what I always do when I'm using this workflow. Wicks don't just go into usually no man land. You got to use your workflow and see where these things are going to. 99 log MA, I don't care what time frame it is. Look at this nice range right here on the 90 minute. You don't see this often. You got the reverse Fisher down here, 99 log MA up here, everything else piled together. Yeah, close this 90 minute candle above the power, at least above reverse wave trend, which is down there at 26.50. 40 bucks above it. See something here. Like I said, I'm going to go back to the 4 hour real quick because I didn't look at the returns oscillator. This is tough divergence wise though, right? You got a data set that's all piled together. And there's not. Look at the Z-score, man. This low length Z-score really popped on that 4 hour candle. Not setting up any hidden yet. When I'm talking hidden bear. Nothing yet. Yeah, no bull div. Random walk. Random, literally from the trend to the dump on the 4 hour. Look at it. That's a nice, beautiful, healthy trend. Entropy indicator for the win. Since then, right? The prediction model flipped like 5 times going back up. Yeah, this is tough. After dumps like this, guys, you want to be down there trading low time frames. As we get down there, you'll see why. You'll see why. Yeah, got to get up above this wave trend on the 4 hour. Again, look at this 90 one more time. Yeah, the 99 log MA. Who's going to win here? Like I said, this nice little range. What's that bottom side? 25.6. Yeah, 25.6. All right. Returns oscillator is setting up some hidden bear, though. That rejection on the 99. There we go. Back here? No. Here? Yes. A little bit hidden bear. Way back, though. Way back. Yeah, I'm not even bringing that into play. Let's see. Because if this comes down to the zero mean, what are you going to be setting up? Hidden bull. Hidden bull, possibly a bounce off. You pull down here to the reverse wave trend right around 26, $100 move. It's going to set up some hidden bull. Could get some, and look what time it is, 9:16. What's that, 45? Let me drop to the 33. Show me the magic. Beautiful outlier. Beautiful outlier. You know you're going to have more. The variance indicator within the workflow, very powerful, man. Very powerful indeed. Apparently people are watching the streams and want them. Guys, we got so many support tickets we can't keep up. Where's Yasha? I know he's got something cooked up. Our marketing guru. Good morning. BCM 2852. So you're outside the power mean band to the top side here. Variance definitely needs the correlation needs to do break here. We want to see some negative correlation. If variance is going to contract all the way back to the mean, you want to see it negatively correlated. And in my opinion, what you're reading here with the variance and the correlation and the outliers, man, it really helps you to understand whether it's negatively or positively correlated. What you're seeing over here on the volatility, right? Look at the expansion. First, volatility falls off a cliff right there with a grade. Didn't last long, did it? When that expansion came in, all 3 lengths, right? You've got 981 was already positively correlated. Nice. Yeah, boy, oh boy, you could have got into something nice. I guarantee on these low time frames, it was a beauty. You could have got a great entry. A great entry. You could see when the 981 was contracting, right? It was negatively correlated when the contract. Then the correlation broke positive. Expansion, bam, all 3 lengths. Whee! Shot way outside the 99 Laplace distribution range. So where did it pull back to? I always like showing this stuff. When you get outside the 99 Laplace, where did it pull back inside to? Right at it. There was a 99.7% chance that candle was not going to close up here or up here or up here, but more in fact, right at the 99.7. That's what these probabilities are all about. When you see big wicks, right, on these candles, guarantee it's trust me, it's the distribution, it's the probabilities, it's the algos. The algos aren't going to go against these probabilities. They know where they're at. They can run this thing to the moon, but you're going to pull back. You're going to pull back. Math rules the universe. Always plays out. Right now on the 15, right? Prediction model flip. Coming out of that trend to the move on the 15-minute. So could this pull back? Yeah. And we already went through the workflows of where some of those wave trends were at. Oh, UPM. Come on now. There we go. And that 33, like I said, what? It was about $100 below. Got to see the 15-minute though. Come on. Nice. Setting up hidden bull as we speak. And you're down by the second standard deviation band on the returns oscillator. This, don't like it. Z-scores are down, right? And high length Z-score is very high. Very high. And with that prediction model flipped and you got low length volatility contracting positively correlated, and you're way outside the power mean band, the bears are gonna have to they're gonna want to stave off this freaking cross. Right? They don't want the data set staying up here. Even as low as the 15-minute. You don't want wave trend crossing Fisher if you're a bear. Trust me. You can use that and just explode.
And then also, if you're a bull, right, you're going to get a little bit of pullback, but what you want to do is you want to stay on top of that Fisher and ride it until the wave trend crosses up.
Oh yeah, 100%. 100%. Let me see here. Yep, here's the weekly. Let me see something real quick. Where's the 30? That's the 11. Yeah, and right when you get the cross here, man. Boom! Weekly candle. Toast. Where's that next cross gonna be?
It on the daily.
Next cross, right up here. 31. I'm telling you. Well, that just told me a lot. To the point where I cannot speak of this. I can't give away all my secrets. Let me see here. Got here on the 30. Where's that 30 power mean at? Yeah, you're down here by that wick. Wow. That 5-day candle went down to the 3 SD on both lengths. 29. Oh, you bears. You bears are going to get jacked up here if you're not careful, man. Dude, I just went through the weekly and the 5-day. That's all I went through. Let me turn this 30 off. And yes, I am going to change up the color on one of these so I don't have to keep turning them on and off because they're the same color. What's this up here? What do we got? 27.3. It's a 3-day. Let me see where this 30 length's at. Yeah, man. Okay, so it's at the 3-day. Let me see some. Boom, boom, boom. There's the move right there, man. To be honest, what's that 30 power mean at? 28.7. If we get a pump, you know, a couple grand pump up in between, get scissored up by these RMLRs, this thing could definitely pull back and ride it. But when you got the low length crossing up out here in the future, that could be the move right there. What's up here, man? Wow. That's what I'm kind of looking for, to be honest. Let me go to the daily. Turn off this 30. Whoops. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, wow. Top side, you're at the 3 SD band. That's not good. That's not good. Where's the 30? And on this daily candle, you got the 99.7 Laplace up here at about 27.275 area. You're pretty much right in between them. Downside, yeah, 24K. What's at 24K? We already went through it. Bottom of the weekly range. Bottom of the weekly volatility range is at the 11 length RMLR right now on this current candle. Hear my crazy dog out there barking, man. What you doing, son? Yeah, on the 4 hour. Yeah, they're BTC. Nice. 95.4 Laplace, second standard deviation. Yeah, you go over here on the VRE, right? That's current candle, Laplace distribution on the 4 hour. Let's take a peeky-poo. So you open up here. Here is the 68.3 Laplace distribution range. First standard deviation. There's the 95.4 Laplace. There was the 2 SD, right? There was the 2 SD. That's where that wick. Boom. The pink dot right there. Blow this up a little more. That was the 95.4 Laplace. And then that's the 2 SD. Or wait a minute. 2 SD is actually... There it is up there. My bad. All right. Let me see here. Yeah, a little short of it. For sure. Not by much. 50 bucks.
Just a question for you on the RMLR. So I know it's all relative, but what is a more powerful signal, being on top of the power mean or on top of the RMLR itself?
They kind of I don't really look at it like that. I'm definitely looking for crosses of the 30 for sure. But obviously, the crosses of the RMLRs themselves, within a few candles, you usually get nice moves, whichever that direction is. I'm looking more of the 30 power mean is just an area of, hold on, I'm going to sneeze. Woo! Only two? Wow. Usually come in threes. Threes or fives. What the hell? I got two. That'll work. I usually look at it like, look where the candle, look where the wick went to. Now look at the candle, where it's the 30 power mean. And you know what I need to do too, that I went off from for a while. Power mean, yes. I like having it on the 33. Let me reset that default. Boop, boop. There we go. I use the RMLRs differently than I use the 30 power mean. I'm always looking for the 30 power mean for mean reversion because we know the data sets love that. Hold on for a second. Well, I have an early morning train wreck. What the hell, man? Jesus. Ah, what a mess. There we go. Okay. But yeah, that's how I look at it. That's how I look at it. Now, in our reality, on this indicator, you really don't need it, right? It's on the UPM. I've got it on the other chart, but I throw it up there because I want to see how it interacts. You know, sometimes these RMLRs will reject off of them, things of that. And with an indicator like this, dude, this is always still a work in progress, right? That's why we allow people on here to speak on these live streams, especially people that have the indicators, because people see different things. And if you think you're seeing something and you want to talk about it, that's why we're here. That is why we're here. But trust me, like behind the scenes, between all of us, we've ran all this through so many different different scenarios. We've seen a lot, but there's still new stuff. Guarantee it. So yeah, man, it's all going to be like we can tell people what these indicators are, but the way people perceive them, right? It's different. Nobody's going to perceive all this the same. Let me see here. Let me look at the 30. Where was that again? Ooh. So that literally, so where did that wick go to? Pretty much right to that 30 length RMLR. Pulled back. Now, was it across? Not really, man. The 11's just going sideways. The 30's just doing this little zigzag. Look at the future. What a mess. What a mess. See some fake outs coming. You can see though. I like that the lower length's just going sideways because look what's about to happen with the 30, right? And people are like, well, how do you know where it's going to go? Trust me, we know. We know. This is a great indicator. Guarantee you. This 30 power mean, if I screenshot this and then you come back on the 30th and look at this, the RMLR is going to follow this path perfectly. It's not voodoo. It's not voodoo. It's Van. It's Van F. Donnybrook. Coder Wolves. What time is it? 9:28? All right, hold on here.
2-minute warning. 2-minute warning.
2 minutes. I don't even know if I'm going to trade today. I got to travel. I got to travel, so I'm probably not going to. Where you at? 442? Of course you are. This Fed's a joke. This Fed is a joke. I'm telling you right now, man. That guy didn't have a job very much longer. I don't think the Fed does, to be honest. I don't think all these three-letter agencies, people are sick of this, man. People in this country are really sick of what's going on. They've really poked the bear. They think they're in charge. Got a news flash. In my opinion, we could be having a 1776 event. They better be real careful. You know who I really like, too? Vivek. Vivek's a trip, man. That guy, he's talking about shit that gets people killed. I hope he's got some protection, man, because they do not like him at all. I'd never even listened to a word he said here until recently. And then I was just like, holy shit. This dude is definitely not an establishment shill. All right, here we go. Wow, you're up here by the 1SD. Top side. Look at this tight daily range. Holy crap. It gapped through. It got gapped through. More importantly, where is the center of the weekly? What the Jesus criminy. Wait a minute here.
It's 440, like 440.02. It's sandwiched.
Is that
The
yeah, hold on here. Is that the weekly
That
that's
is the
real
weekly.
tight?
That is the weekly.
That is the weekly. Here's the daily. Holy shit. It's right where I thought it was going to be. Go back Friday. I'm pretty sure I thought I said right around 440. Holy crap.
And I don't want to make predictions or give signals, but I think this week is the week that this gets out of its muck because it's the last week of the month, right? So
I don't know.
it makes sense that weekly is tight, right? So it's going to have a trending week and probably to the top side. It's not going to, that's not saying what's happening here first thing in the morning because it's up there by the 1SD, but
This sneaky little donkeys too, man. Look at this last 15-minute candle. Sent a wick down almost right to the top of the new daily. Yeah, why can't you make it easier on me? These are the tough days, all right? And this is what always happens. Not always, but it happens a lot, man. Happens a lot where you're like, okay, so has it been tested? Hasn't it been tested? I've said this many times before. When you get to the close and one side or the other throws a wick down where these new ranges are coming into, it could already be a test. You definitely gapped up through this tight weekly. God, SPY is going to make a massive move this week. Now, it doesn't mean one direction. This thing could range all over. This thing's got a massive range today, too. Holy crap.
If we look at last week, if we look at last week, what SPY do? It just bounced around inside the weekly range. Maybe a little outside, but inside. It just bounced around. It pinballed, right? This week, that can't happen because look how tight that weekly range is.
Is that 438? Oh, my God. So the bottom side of the 68.3 right now, the 438s, are 13 cents on market open. That's brazen. 12 cents. Yeah, I don't quite know. Let me take a peek. One thing we didn't do, now that we know where this is at, and you're up by the 1SD too, be real careful here. Dixie was pulling back. Now it's bouncing a little bit. Dixie, definitely top side of the weekly has been tested, man. I'm telling you.
Dixie's going to run. I don't think you have it on your chart, but there's a mean up there. It's like 104.054 or something like that. I think Dixie will make a run to that.
Check the first resistance level on the daily. First standard deviation normal distribution on the daily. This tight weekly range, 440, man. Don't think that's not going to get action. And the fact they're only 30 cents right now is just stupid. Stupid. It's a little early for my blood, though, man. I don't know. A little early to be taking a position, especially counter to what the pre-market move is. When this thing could just go hog wild when you send a wick really pretty much to the daily range. Last 15-minute candle of the day. I would have felt a lot better if this thing closed up here and just gapped up and you got all this looming down here. I'd already be in a position. I'm telling you right now, I'd already be in a position. But I'm waiting. Look at this monthly level, man. This thing is just poking right here. Last time it ran up to it, it got a little bit above, but just spilled out.
And I just hopped over at QQQ. It's got a wider weekly, but given the size of the weekly on SPY, I will not be dipping into QQQ. Whatever SPY does, QQQ is going to do. So that weekly almost doesn't even matter in that sense. But it's still relatively tight compared to last week too. QQQ is.
Man, this weekly range is going to get some action. That's what my gut's saying. That's what my gut's saying, and they are giving it away right now, really. That's why I want this thing to pump up here like another, 0.6? I want this thing to get up at this monthly and see what these 440s are at. While we're waiting, it's going to happen quick on me. Damn it. Hold on here. This is why, trust me, when if I'm not live streaming, all these charts are already up. These charts are up on all the monitors. I'm not flipping through tabs looking like a goofball. Having an outlier right out of the gate on the 15, huh? Well, I'll tell you what, man, you're setting up some bear div. This thing rejects off that monthly level. Look out. Damn, that thing dropped into trend too. Look at the volatility. Yeah, you're not there yet, though. You're not there yet. Let's see this 4 hour. Show me that hidden bear. No, no div yet. No divs. No divs. The hidden bull. All right, that was the hidden bull that popped this the end of last week, going into today. Got everything up too. Feel more comfortable downside if this was a higher high on the returns oscillator, but it's not. Look where else you're at on the 4 hour, man. You're at reverse wave trend. Rejected hard last time. I mean, rejected hard. The bulls, they want wave trend to cross up to 33. That's this pink dotted line right here. They definitely want that. Oh man, you're right there too. 440s. What are those at? 23 cents. You gotta be kidding me, man. I mean, you gotta just jump on that. Just one.
So I was doing my pre-market work last night, right? I had, the target for SPY last night was 442, and when I saw it gap up, I'm like, yeah, this is coming down.
Right?
It is. I mean, that's the work that I did last night. I had 442 up on my whiteboard. Downside is 439.
Yeah, we got a whiteboard guy. I love it. I'm all for whiteboards, man. I'm all for whiteboards, especially when you start when you're a boomer. It's like it's nice
Like I
having.
said, I think, like I said in chat, though, it's more to help me just stay focused rather than second guess myself.
Well,
If I see something, just write it down.
Yeah, man.
And act with conviction, right? Don't second guess yourself as things are going on in real time.
Yeah, because all this is happening so fast. Sometimes I'll literally oh, what was I thinking when to open? You know what I'm saying? You have to so if you got a whiteboard and you're just jotting stuff down as you're going along with the trading day, dude, it's gonna help you, 100%, man, 100%. There's no guessing. You don't. That's the whole thing. If you're trying to be in real time with leading information, you can't be reversing, trying to remember what you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. So yeah, whiteboard. Yeah, there's something to them, man. Good stuff. Good stuff indeed. I chuckled when you pop that up. I was like, oh yeah, he's on it. He's got the whiteboard right next to the desk, probably. Let's go.
It's posted up on my wall, so I have to actually physically stand up and write on it. So it's like you have to take actual very specific actions. So you can't just be very willy-nilly with it, right? You got to be very certain when you get up,
Right. What is going on here? Oh boy.
Yeah, not touching SPY, even if it's going into trend up to the upside. Will not touch it because all that resistance right there. And
oh God, what's the day today?
Where it is on the distribution, I'll just wait for it to up around and I'll just take the put side.
Yeah. Dang, man. Oh wow. Excuse me, guys. Yeah, man. 5 years ago today, I lost my dad. It's my brother sending out a group text. Damn. 5 years went by fast. Phew. All right, back to business. Yeah, that got me teared up a little bit. Life is real. All right, let's see here. What we got? Yeah, man, this is kind of no brainer. This thing's going to reject from here. The Bulls are really going to have to pop this thing. What I do? Damn. And I bought one of those 440 calls, 22 cents. It's already almost, it was just at 39. And I just bought one, which, yeah. Oh, now I'm fried. Jesus, can't even think. I'm glad it's a short stream today. Let's see here. Yeah, let's see what happens here. When did Dixie stall out? It did. Dixie stalled out a bit. Where was Dixie? Yeah, it's in that wick to where top side of the daily. Yeah, Dixie's got to get above this daily range, or
See, this is what I'm watching for. I'm watching on SPY. When it crosses up that 1 minute reverse wave trend, the amount of space you have between the 1 minute reverse wave trend and the 3 minute is very large. So it can absolutely make that move between the wave trends. I'm discovering, just trial and error is that I find that wave trend, the white dotted line, that is probably the most indicative power mean of the power means to determine what price action will do. Because when price action crosses up that, usually it uses the wave trend as a trampoline to in that direction as it crosses.
Yeah, it's powerful. Indeed.
In the space between, the minute wave trend is like all the way down there by 440, and the 1 minute is up there by 442. So I've got $2 if it gets below that 1 minute. It's like a $2 dip, right?
Right. Yeah, totally. Let me see something here.
When I first joined alpha trading, I was just like, there's one thing that I'm really good at is finding relationships between data sets, right? And so this is one of those relationships that I've kind of picked up on. It's just time frames between the wave trends.
Yeah. Sorry, dude. I'm so fried right now. Jesus. Oh, it's a warlord.
It was for everybody. It was for everybody on the stream. So
Stay strong, Bilbo.
Yeah, man. Got the whole family chiming in now. Yeah, life's a trip, man, right? Life is a trip. So precious. So precious. Yeah, it's amazing. Last 5 years, shit. Lost dad, lost my dog, lost fucking. Ah! But I gained the Mopar big block, so let's go do some burnouts. I'm driving
Get that frustration.
I'm driving over to Cincinnati to hear some music today. I'm gonna go meet Misha for lunch.
Oh, nice, man.
Yeah, so I'll report back, let everybody know if you should go sweep the whales or if I should sell all mine. Nah, just kidding. I ain't selling.
How far away is that from you? 20 hours.
Well, because I'm southwest of Indianapolis, probably 40 minutes. Usually from Indianapolis to Cincinnati, it's only 90 miles. From where I'm at, it's about 120, 130 miles. So take me a couple hours. It's almost all interstate.
Yeah, just the traffic or something, but like no more than 2.5 one way.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's close, man. Enough for a quick day trip, to be honest. It'll
Right.
probably be 2 hours for me because rush hour will be done. I'm going to leave here about 11. That's why I got to wrap this up here at, Jesus, probably 10, 15, maybe another half hour or something. Maybe a half hour. Well, there was
Oh
a
man,
little.
that's pretty exciting.
Yeah, it'll be
You gotta
nice.
hook you up with a CD.
It'll be nice to hear the music, man, for sure. Stoked.
Sweet.
Been waiting. But you can tell the way they're acting. I mean, man, this is like a sensitive time. This stuff can't get out. So, I mean, even, I've signed an NDA. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Not in that business.
Yeah.
They're keeping everything pretty tight lipped. But yeah, Def Jam. I mean, dude, this is. I love that the whole space just doesn't get it. What we're doing. This is gonna be a riot. Especially if this Def Jam turns on that marketing machine on some really good freaking music. See, anybody in this space that tried to do any of that, it's all been cornball crap. NFT music and shit. It's like nobody wants to hear that crap. This is mainstream penetration. This is going to be awesome. I mean, I'm pretty excited. Pretty excited. I mean, I've heard like a couple second clip and stuff, and it's like, and when I was at the mixer, that's when Carla goes, come here, Bilbo. And Ben was down there by they had a big roasted pig out on the beach. And he introduced me to Ben, and Carla's like, Ben, it's like, tell Scott about the music. And just the look in his eyes and the excitement, I was just like, oh shit. I was like, all right. Came home and swept some whales. Bought some more JPEGs. Big difference though. These JPEGs are a little different. They're signed to the iconic music label, Def Jam. Universal Music, Def Jam. Pretty cool. Pretty freaking cool. Still haven't totally hit that monthly support level. Looking like it's gonna now. Yeah, Dixie rejected off top side that daily. I mean, you look at it. It was up at about, 125 or something? Yeah, pulled back hard. Right off the top side of that daily. Did earlier too. But you got the top side of the weekly. Top side of the weekly. And that is a big... Where is it? Okay, so here is the daily... Wait a minute. That is a wild range, man. Is that not a wild range? Holy shit, look how big the 68.3 is. Dixie. It's usually a little tighter than that. Then you got the 95.4 all tight right here. 104.4. It's gold at. 1917. Oh, now they're telling the story. So, like 6 years ago, it was like my dad's like would dreams go to the Masters, right? It's just hard to get tickets, man, without paying an arm and a leg. But he finally got to go, and so he knows better. He's like, I'm not walking all the way around. Yeah, I'm gonna cut across the fairway at the Masters. He got halfway across. There's like 5 sheriffs on him. So my mom's like waving. My mom's waving, going, he like totally playing. I'm like, he's got dementia. He doesn't know what he's doing. La la la. They bring him over. Is he yours? She's like, yeah. She's like, you need to make sure he doesn't do that again. He's lucky he didn't get arrested. Usually, you step through the ropes, you're going to jail. But they just brought him to my mom. And then she just scolded him. What the fuck are you doing? That's a good story, man. He did some wild stuff over the years. He's fun.
Well played.
Yeah. Big time. This was literally, let me see here. This was at a, yeah, it's story time now. Fuck it. Where's Alpha Trading? I'm going to put it in the general chat. This pick's awesome. This was like one of the last dead shows he went to. I was out in California. There we go. My dad's the bottom left, my brother's top right, and then that's one of our buddies in between them. That's the picture they sent me from the dead show. All flipping me off.
Brain dance! I'm still wheeling, baby.
Oh, dude, it's so funny. Look how packed it is. That's a Deer Creek. Holds about, what, 30,000? There's probably 50 in it. People just cram in. Yeah, it was a good time.
Shit.
Real good time. I got that picture. I was like, you motherfucker. Yeah, we're going to get some, when is that? How many days in this month, man? We're getting this new monthly range. You guys can't forget about that, because that's going to come into play. Big time going to come into play. Friday. Wow. So we're going to get a new monthly range for like traditional markets too, coming in on Friday, last day of the trading week. This is going to get wild. Yeah, Saron, thank you for reminding me, my friend.
So Thursday is going to be wild.
Oh, big time. Big time. Math. And tomorrow, during the live stream, we'll run through and get some of these ranges. Oh, Spy, you're making me wish I bought a 10 lot. But that's the thing. I'm hoping this drops real fast so I can get out of this trade. I'm gonna
regardless. And not fade away.
There he is. There's old Zentap. Earlier I just got done telling everybody they need to just give us a break. We just got bombarded with like support tickets and freaking people wanting indicators. We can't keep up. Lay off of us.
That's right.
For crying out loud.
Poor Matt's fingers are burning, man.
Yeah. That guy's got a full-time job. And he's doing all this too. Matt, best secretary I've ever had.
Need to outsource the call center to India, man. That's what
yeah, that'd be great. We should. Hello, thank you for calling Alpha Trading. How many indicators?
My name is Brad.
Yeah, exactly. Philip. My name is Philip. Hey, Philip, what's your real name? Or I'm hanging up. People are funny. Yeah, let's see this weekly range get tapped. Let's just see it. Yeah, it's good stuff, though. Pretty sure and I gotta cut this short today. I gotta be off here in about probably 20 minutes. I'm driving over to Cincinnati. So, I was wondering if you had the chat bot fired up. Any information for these fine people? I know we were going to do something about some coupons for free indicator packages and stuff like that. I don't know exactly. I'm not the marketing guy.
They might have to wait another day. They're so backed up on production, we can't even get those things out today. We might have to wait till tomorrow.
Got you. We'll get her done. TradingView, you're awesome. So awesome. You need to hit the rocket icon. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Let's see here. Now, what was gold's range? Let's check out gold's
Cincinnati,
range.
The other Sin City.
Can be. Yep. Remember WKRP in Cincinnati?
I sure do.
That's old school sitcom.
Yeah, man. Good stuff.
That was back when the Jeffersons and all that crap was rolling. Sanford and Son, Archie Bunker.
Yep.
Oh,
Fun fact about Sanford and Son, their music was by Quincy Jones.
Yeah. That was a great show too, man. Great show. I used to love that.
No, dude, that was hilarious.
It was.
Oh, I feel it. I feel it. Here comes the big one.
Yeah. Oh, shit. He had a heart attack every show.
Yeah.
I come to see you, Elizabeth. I'm having the big one. Younger generation's going, what are these guys talking about? Like, yeah, shows our age. Old school shit.
The funniest junkyard television show there ever was.
Oh, dude, epic. Seriously funny. Seriously funny. Yeah, I don't see no dog. I got to go capture my animal too. He's out here running. He's not used to coming in till like mid-afternoon. I'm gonna try to wrangle his ass up so I can get out of here. But yeah, you guys can continue the stream in the Discord for sure. Tomorrow we might do a little extended version. Who knows? Might even start early.
Yeah, I'm hearing stuff. If anybody wants to go over stuff, I'll be happy to go over stuff too.
You the man.
I'm just got other things on my fingers right now.
Yeah. Gold got a big weekly range. Compared to SPY and Bitcoin, good Lord. Bitcoin and SPY. Bitcoin's got an $8 range.
Yeah.
SPY has literally got a 9-cent range. Holy crap. So you got an $8 range on Bitcoin, 9-cent range on SPY. Gonna be a party here. You're gonna find some support on the 1SD on the 4 hour. That's what you're looking at here. All right, that's what you're looking at here. Well, that pulled up quick.
Tighter than a witch's twat.
Wow. Wow. Yeah.
Well, I can't say that. I can't say that on TV.
Sure. I'm all for it. Just caught me off guard. I'm only on my first cup of coffee. Yeehaw! That's how we roll. That's how we roll.
Watch your profanity.
That was pretty good.
All right.
Yeah, we'll let this first day, these tight weekly ranges of SPY and Bitcoin play out. Dixie, big range. Gold, big range. I'm telling you, man. So what does this tight weekly range mean for SPY? This week is going to be a wild ride. That's what it means. You think last week was wild. This could get real interesting. A little bit of turmoil at the Fed, too. We're starting to realize these jokers are, yeah, exactly that. Jokers. We get Ramaswamy in office. That guy will freaking shut down everything, so he says. I'll probably kill him first, though. What a crazy world we live in. We are literally a banana republic over here now, if you guys didn't know. Jesus. It is madness. Don't ever come back, Yasha.
I don't believe any politician ever, no matter what party they're with. Doesn't matter.
Oh, he's dead.
Yeah, I know. To me, they're all liars and thieves and scoundrels.
Well, they
all
can
of them.
be.
Like, without exception. I am what you might call super skeptical about everyone. And if they prove me wrong, I'm happy. That way I have nowhere to go but up.
That's what I want. I want somebody to prove me wrong, too, because, yeah, it's a clown show.
Prove me wrong. All of you guys. I would love it if one day people wearing suits while making laws and breaking them would...
But we all know who's going to get the nomination. 100%. His job isn't finished. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. This country was never better when that guy was in office. And media, big tech did everything they could to just make people hate him, which is just a fucking joke, man. Oh, well. All good. We definitely need something happening.
In case anybody on the extreme left is listening, we're talking about Charlie Brown.
Yes.
Obviously.
Charlie
Brown has unfinished business.
You know, peanuts.
That's why his head is shaped like a 0. Because it has to turn into a 1.
He had a dog. His dog's name was Snoopy.
Right. That's right. Great dog.
Snoopy was an undercover agent for the DNC.
That's right.
Jeez. All right.
Fun fact, that was the top fundraiser, like the Dial for Dollars fundraiser for the RNC while I was a registered independent in D.C.
You're the man.
No, it was a fun time, man. Good way to pay for beer and pizza and stuff during college.
You know it.
Yeah.
You freaking know it. On top of rowing, right? You need all those carbs.
Not wrong, yeah. And that was during the what they call the Republican Revolution back in when Newt Gingrich first came to be the speaker.
Right.
Mm-hmm. And they're like, "Are you a Republican?" I'm like, "No, but I can raise money for you." They're like, "Stick this man on the phones." All right.
Yeah, no shit. Right. Funny. Like, okay.
Good time, man. Good time.
The minis got that tight of a range? What they do? No, not as tight. But hello. Let me see here. Wow, look at that freaking run right there. Boy, that's a beauty move. That's a beauty move. 15-minute trend like crazy, guarantee that. So you're at the 1SD, huh? 1SD. Mini's going to get above that 1SD? SPY's rejecting off of it, or trying. Hasn't closed a candle above the first standard deviation yet. And damn near almost do a hangman on here. Volatility creates these candles. It's okay to talk about them by name if you know what they are. Just understand that it's... you got to understand what is actually creating these wicks and candles and all this good stuff. Because if you start drawing patterns on this crap in a random market, that's where you're losing the narrative for sure. Can't be doing that.
Yeah, dude. Andy's post today, just remarkable stuff. I love when he just pops in and just like,
about the options. Yeah.
Man, he's just, what a chad.
I miss Durbit. Durbit's so fun. Can't believe we're not allowed to trade there.
He just comes in, he's like, I'm managing this.
This is what's going on. Man after my own heart, too. Throwing on a big strangle on BTC the Beast.
Yeah. He's managing the profit.
Yeah.
Doing all right.
Yeah. He's 50% in profit, too.
Yeah.
Because he sold the 20 deltas and they're both down to 9 and 10. I'm like, yeah, go, baby. Ride the train.
And my point was, like, he demonstrated yet again that it's just all about the math, man. It's all about the volatility.
100%.
Probability statistics, just once again.
Yeah.
I love seeing that.
Especially in options, man. If you're selling, now it's unlimited loss when you're doing that. So you got to make sure you know what you're doing for sure.
Yeah, you got to monitor those trades.
If one side gets tested, you got to do something, man. You either got to roll that strike or freaking cover yourself with some futures, turn it into a condor.
And you don't care about the candle patterns. You care about the volatility and the probability and statistics, because the candle patterns, that's just silly stuff.
Yeah,
that's just
exactly.
Silly.
And let me see something.
That's why we don't use that here.
Let me throw this back on BTC. Let's see. Where are you? Crypto BTC. Here's what I'm going to look at.
It's where every Tom, Dick, and Harriet can trade math.
Yeah. For sure. Monthly. We got, like I said, the volatility, man. The volatility.
Volatility.
Be honest, too, man. What's 76? It's kind of.
You will respect my math authority.
Yes. You must respect my authority.
Authority. Exactly.
Okay. So now that's all I needed to see. You must respect my authority. All right.
Hartman gets way off.
Yeah. Daily SPY. Jesus, man, that is another point of bull div too. I'm gonna returns oscillator, man. This low length though, Z score all the way to 99% confidence interval. Yeah, this daily's tough. This daily makes me believe this thing really gonna drop and test this weekly. Really? Yeah, really. Really. What time is it? 10:04. Shit. I hate leaving early, but we got to do what we got to do. I got other shit I got to take care of. Usually this is my main priority. I almost said prioritize. You must respect my priority.
I'm getting ready for the bio.
But when it comes to listen to some good music that I'm actually involved in is exciting. I can report back to everybody. They just got to be real careful, and everybody's just like, "Oh, what's going on?" It's like, just be patient. You will be rewarded for your patience. Some good music. And hopefully this whole space be like, "Oh, those guys are actually doing something? We thought that was bogus." Like, you clowns out there chasing Ponzi's. I hope you're listening. Crypto's wild, man. Crypto is wild. Brought the degens out for sure. Who needs a riverboat when you got crypto?
Yep. Riverboat can be fun.
Oh yeah,
Absolutely.
real fun. Remember, folks, get your freebies at the beginning when you got a big stack of 100 chips and shit. When you're sitting there and you're still sober, be like, "Hey, you know what? I plan on being here for a while. Probably gonna get nice hammered up. Can you comp me a room and the dinner? Do that, pit boss. So boop, 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 give it right to you. You don't even have to ask twice. Don't ask when all of a sudden now those stack of 100 chips is down to where you got like nickel chips. You've lost 10 grand and now you want a free room. They're going to be like, "Nah, we ain't got nothing for you." People do it backwards. You got to get the freebies first. Let's see.
That's clever.
Uh-oh. Pad one making jokes.
Yeah, he's asking me, how can you lose 10 grand from eating chips? Not potato chips, son.
Not potato chips.
Yeah, poker chips, exactly.
Poker chips. Yes, my young friend.
My own experience
man.
in casinos, though, man. If you start to win, they start to get real suspicious, even if it's a little bit.
Oh yeah.
I think I was in Vegas. I won. It's like 3-card poker. I had never really played it. I was drunk. I didn't know what I was doing. I managed to hit like a $3,000 hand. Where they not only had the pit boss, they had the pit boss's boss come in and like review video to make sure I wasn't cheating.
Yeah, they're a joke, man. Casinos are. They don't want anybody to win, obviously. Yeah, it's definitely in the cards are in there. They are the winners in the end. That's why there's gold doors on there. Shit.
I didn't even know how to play. That's how drunk I was. I just sat down at the table. I'm like, "Oh, I got money. Let's play this."
Oh God. I remember one of the first times I went gambling. My brother was great. He's a great blackjack player. So he's like, "Get away from me." So I go and I sit down at the blackjack table. One of the first hands or something, I get like, I think I had a pair of jacks, and I split them. I split the pair of jacks. The rest of the table, you just hear hear the air come out of everybody. And then I screwed the whole table, right? Because I split them. The dealer had a 6 up and I split 10s. So, right, the whole fucking table's ready to kill me immediately. And then, so I take, I split the 10s and I take like a 9 on one hand, a face card on the other hand, right? And so I just took 2 big numbers. He's got a 6 up. So now they're really ready to kill me. They're really ready to kill me. Then what's the dealer do? I think the dealer hit like I'm pretty sure I tied. Dealer hit like a 4 or something, got a 20, beats the rest of the table, ties with me, and then they're just like, "Okay, we're going to go take this guy in a parking lot and shoot him." And so I leave the table because everybody's disgusted with me, and somebody else had left the table at the same time. And I guess right before that guy showed up to the table my brother was at. And when that guy showed up, He sits down and he tells the whole table, this dumbass at the other table split jacks, blah, blah, blah. And he goes, oh, fuck, here he comes. And my brother turned around and saw it was me. I just lost it. Funny shit. Hey, man, I had never played before. I didn't know what the hell I was doing. But I'd watch my brother and I'd see him. He'd split, you know. He'd split eights, split some different cards. I was like, oh, you're supposed to split these then. No, you got a 20, dumbass. You're supposed to sit on it. Especially when the dealer's got a 6 showing. Yeah, that was not a good night. Pissed off a lot of people. I'm good at that. If you know me. You know what? Yeah. I think we're going to cut this baby off. Usually, guys, this thing's going to run another 50 minutes, but I got travel to do today. So, you got SPY up here hanging around the 1SD. Same thing with the minis. They're up there too. SPY and triple Qs both up about 0.6. Gold's up what? 0.36. Oh, no, that's the futures. 0.2. Dixie hovering around. Be honest, Dixie's losing the narrative, man. I'm telling you. Something funny's happening. Another wick right up to the top of the daily. Look out. This is what I'm going to say. So if Dixie breaks down the bottom of the 1SD here, we could see a nice pump out of the markets. But if it starts closing some 15-minute candles above this daily range, it can break. Let me see here. Break into the 68.3. God, man, this thing's set up so weird. The fact, you can see where it opened. Usually you're going to open inside the 68.3 plus. It didn't do it, though. You break back inside here, these markets are going to crash. And that's what it's pushing for. So look for Dixie, 104.2. Can Dixie get up here and start closing some 15-minute candles, get in, maybe close at the top side today, 104.4? Look out, markets will get crushed. But yeah, guys, we'll get back at this tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Probably run a little bit of a longer stream since we had to cut this one short. And if you're watching on TradingView, pop into the Discord. The link's in the description. You might still be going in the Discord. At least there'll be a lot of info. I'm sure people will be in the chats. So I'm cutting this off short. But like I said, I got shit to do today. Doesn't happen often. Today's the day, though. Got to do it. So with all that being said, wherever you live at on this big, beautiful blue marble, have a wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, and evening. Be back at it tomorrow morning. Peace, guys.